Morning, dear students. I hope you must be staying happy and healthy at home. Today we will study human physiology, that is unit 5th of 11th biology. The first lesson in human physiology is digestion and absorption, where we will discuss human digestive system. Dear students, human digestive system has two parts. One is alimentary canal, another is digestive glands. Now, first topic we are going on to discuss, that is human alimentary canal. Human alimentary canal has the following structure that we have to discuss in detail. The first part of human alimentary canal is called as buccal cavity, also called as oral cavity. It is also called as oral cavity or buccal cavity. The buccal cavity or oral cavity is the first and foremost opening part of human alimentary canal, which is having two special structure called as teeth and tongue. Two T are there, teeth and tongue. If we talk about teeth, teeth are having the following terms related to them. First one is heterodont. Human teeth are heterodont. Heterodont stand for occurrence of more than one type of teeth in human being. For example, in human being there are four type of teeth: incisors, canines, premolars and molars. That's why human teeth are called as heterodont. If we want to write human dental formula in case of adult human being, we can write like this: I, C, P, M and M, 2, 1, 2, 3 in upper jaw, 2, 1, 2, 3 in lower jaw. Means 8 teeth are present in one side and 8 are on another side. Thus 16 teeth are in upper jaw, 16 teeth are in lower jaw. In all, 32 teeth are present in human adults, and hence dental formula of human adult can be written as 2, 1, 2, 3 in upper jaw and 2, 1, 2, 3 in lower jaw, that is incisor, canine, premolars and molars. Second term related to human teeth is thecodont. Thecodont stands for human teeth are embedded in jaw socket. Suppose this is human teeth. We are very well aware that our teeth are embedded in jaw socket. That's why they are called as thecodont. The third term related to human teeth is diphyodont. That means in the life of a human being, teeth arise twice and hence is called as diphyodont. Two type of teeth are in human being. One of them are called as deciduous teeth, also called as milk teeth. Another are called as permanent teeth. So since teeth arise in human being twice and in two sets, and hence is called as diphyodont. Now, the second structure present in mouth or oral cavity is tongue. Tongue is highly muscular and mobile organ which is having large number of taste buds over its surface. These taste buds are for tasting sweet, sour, bitter and salty taste in human tongue. Their major purpose is to take the taste of the food. Tongue is a highly mobile organ which helps in speech as well as mixing the food with digestive enzyme and saliva in mouth. The oral cavity has upper part called as palate. This part of our oral cavity, here we give name it as palate. Palate further may be of two types. It is soft palate and hard palate. In the front side, the palate is hard, therefore it is called as hard palate, while at the posterior, it is soft. So the roof of our buccal cavity is called as palate. After buccal cavity, the next part in human alimentary canal is the pharynx. Pharynx is a common opening for food as well as air in human being. As far as the glands are concerned in our oral cavity, there are three glands or three pair of salivary gland, namely parotid gland, sublingual gland and submaxillary gland are opening in our oral cavity. Immediately after that is esophagus or food pipe, which opens into the stomach. Stomach is that organ which is a muscular bag-like structure whose inner lining is made up of a tissue called as visceral tissue, or this part of the tissue is called as epithelial tissue. Here glands are present which are called as gastric glands. These gastric glands help in secretion of gastric juices which contain hydrochloric acid along with enzymes. These enzymes of stomach are in inactive state, like they are named as prorenin and pepsinogen, which are in inactive state. Along with this, the gastric gland also secrete mucus, which helps in protecting the lining of stomach against the action of hydrochloric acid. Stomach is the major organ of digestion in human being, which is having four parts, mainly fundus, cardiac, body and pyloric. We divide this stomach in four parts. I repeat all those four parts. This part is called as fundus, this part is called cardiac, this part is called body, and the last part is called as pyloric part. At the opening of stomach, there are sphincter, just like doors which prevent backflow of food into esophagus. These doors are called as cardiac sphincters, while same doors are present at the pyloric end, which prevent the unnecessary flow of food into small intestine if food is under the process of digestion. These sphincters are called as pyloric sphincter. Thus, cardiac and pyloric sphincters help the food to stay in the stomach during the process of digestion. Hence, stomach is the major organ of digestion, which helps in mixing the enzymes and gastric juices, hydrochloric acid with food required for necessary process of digestion of food in stomach.